Are you planning to start a website in 2025 and looking for a trusted and beginner-friendly web hosting provider? Then this video is going to help you a lot. In today's video, I am sharing a complete and honest review of Bluehost where we will talk about its pricing, features, speed, performance, pros, cons, and finally whether Bluehost is worth your money or not. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gulfam Hamza, and on this channel I share honest reviews and online tools that help beginners make smart online decisions. If you are thinking about starting your first website or blog, make sure you watch this video till the end. Now let's understand what Bluehost actually is. Bluehost is one of the oldest and most trusted web hosting companies in the world. It is officially recommended by WordPress, which already makes it a strong choice for beginners. Millions of websites are currently hosted on Bluehost, especially blogs, business websites, and WordPress sites. One of the biggest advantages of Bluehost is its beginner-friendly setup. As soon as you buy a hosting plan, Bluehost guides you step by step to create your website. You don't need any technical knowledge. WordPress installation is free and automatic, which makes it perfect for beginners. Talking about pricing, Bluehost offers affordable starter plans, especially for new users. Their basic plan includes free domain for 1 year, free SSL certificate, unmetered bandwidth, and reliable hosting. Compared to many hosting providers, Bluehost gives strong brand trust at a reasonable price. When it comes to performance and uptime, Bluehost delivers stable results. Their servers are optimized for WordPress and provide good loading speed for blogs and small to medium websites. Website speed is very important for SEO and user experience, and Bluehost performs well for beginners. Bluehost uses a clean and simple control panel that is easy to understand. You can manage domains, emails, files, databases, and WordPress settings from one dashboard. This makes website management very easy, even if you are using hosting for the first time. Security is another important factor, and Bluehost takes it seriously. They provide free SSL, malware protection options, spam protection, and regular updates. This helps keep your website safe from common online threats. Customer support is one of Bluehost's strong points. They offer 24/7 customer support through live chat and phone support. This is very helpful for beginners who may need instant help while setting up their website. Now let's talk about some downsides of Bluehost. The renewal prices are higher compared to the initial offer, which is common in most hosting companies. Also, some advanced features and backups are paid add-ons, which can increase the cost. So the big question is, should you use Bluehost or not? If you are a beginner, blogger, or WordPress user who wants a trusted and easy-to-use hosting provider, then Bluehost is definitely a good choice. Especially if you are starting your first website, Bluehost makes the process very simple. To conclude, Bluehost is a reliable and beginner-friendly hosting provider in 2025. It offers strong WordPress integration, good performance, helpful customer support, and a smooth setup process. If trust and ease of use matter to you, Bluehost is worth considering.